magic love, kundi in love with little kids na nangangailangan ng tulong. Yan ang panalong for charity objective ng first ever Piolo Pascual Golf Cup. Chef Calitro was there kanina at ang good news, nauna!
Awarded after hitmaker at ngayon, sportsman na rin. Nandito ako ngayon sa Villamor Golf Club para sa pinakaunang Piolo Pascual Golf Cup. Umaga pa lang, nagsimula na ang day-long first ever golf tournament ni Piolo. Kaya naman very happy at excited si Piolo sa supportang natanggap niya. Okay, Piolo, can you tell us about this event today?
It's my first golf tournament. It's summer, and I have a lot of friends who play golf. And just to have fun with them, do something different.
And then what can you say about naman yung turnout ng event today?
I'm excited, I'm happy because there are a lot of people na ngayon ko lang mismo na meet, but there are a lot of supporters, of course. I want to learn how to play golf, and it's something gusto kong magawa, when I have time, leisure time. Yeah.
Dagdag pa ni Piolo, di lang daw pang sports, for a good cause din ito.
We organized this golf cup because we wanted to raise funds for the foundation. It's Hebrio 12-1 Foundation. It's a foundation that I put up to put kids to school in my high school, to St. Francis School. The more funds we have, the more kids are going to be given a chance to study.
Ano yung makukuha ng charity?
Almost all, I think. This is for the benefit of the Hebrio Foundation, and we're not getting anything from it. Kung ano yung makukuha namin, ma-raise namin, everything's gonna go to their enrollment, to their tuition fees.
Ito si Chef Calitro para sa SNN, Showbiz News ngayon.
Tamang paggamit ng power of celebrity.
Sana invite tayo. Gusto ko matuto mag-golf.
Talaga?
Ikaw?
Hindi.
Okay. Ako lang.
Mabuhay ka, Piolo. And here are two more na mahal ng Kapamilya Network.